eye of newt and toe of frog, will of bat, tongue of dog.
Adder's fork and blindworm's sting.
Barbados lime is just the thing.
Cragged sword like a sailor's stubble.
Flip the switch and let the cauldron bubble.
How convenient!
Put the lime in the coconut and mix it all up. Lime in the coconut and call me in the morning.
All right.
We're rolling. We're rolling.
All right.
It's rolling.
Ready? Oh, you started already? I was going to make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Make it all up and put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Call me in the morning.
Oh, call me in the morning. There you go. So guess what? It's time for... What time is it? Do you have a watch?
I do.
Oh, she does.
Fitbit.
She went to modern. She got a Fitbit. So it's midnight, right?
Yes, it's midnight, witching hour.
And it's time for Midnight Margaritas! So that's what we're gonna make right now.
Okay.
So this is just a basic margarita, basically. I am going to have a few little doodads that I'm going to do to this, just to make it more fun. Okay, so let's make a basic margarita. So go ahead, you know how to make a margarita?
Kind of, sort of.
Yeah, kind of, sort of. All right, here.
Take that off. We got the tequila. Should we measure? Or should we eyeball it again?
Shall we eyeball it?
You know, wink, wink.
Wink,
Okay.
wink. That's a good shot of
I think two, right?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Make it a double. Make it a double.
It's been a rough day. It's been a rough day. Okay.
It's been a rough day.
And then we have some triple sec.
Where's the-
I don't know. Where'd you put it? There it is.
Oh,
It's
there
right
it
there.
is.
It's black.
It's blending.
Everything's black.
It's blending.
Then we got some triple sec.
sec.
Just put one of the triple sec. That one's for.
Okay.
I'll do the blue one.
You do the blue one
I
later.
will do the blue one.
That's your deal.
And then we're gonna put a little bit of lime juice.
We don't put bitters in it, do we?
No. I have the bitters because they look cool.
It does look cool.
Don't
There's
need the
another
bitters.
bitters. I've never heard of that one.
I don't know. I like the thing. So I like the label. Is that enough? That good?
Plenty.
Plenty? Okay.
All right. Ice. I feel like something's
Ice?
missing.
No, that's it. Yeah.
That's it. Oh, I know. I know why.
What's
Because I make
missing?
a different recipe, but this is the.
What do you
no,
usually put in it?
I put brand names. Minute Maid lime juice.
Oh, okay. We have Goya.
Oh,
Lime juice.
actually,
okay.
sorry.
Oh,
Minute Maid frozen limeade.
Okay, got it.
Then you empty that in the blender, and then you fill the little container up with tequila. Put that in there, and then 1 Corona beer. And
Very good. She
blend
puts in
that
Corona.
in a blender. And
Oh,
it's
that's cool.
Amazing.
All right, that's
Try
cool.
it,
Well,
you should try
next
it.
time. Next time we'll try.
Next
it.
time, okay.
All right, so go ahead and shake it
Oh.
all up.
This is called a manual blender.
Well, no, we're supposed to do like that. That's okay. We'll try the magical way. Let's see if that works.
Oops.
Let's see.
Let's do that first.
Let's try the magical way. Ready?
Poof. Oh,
That didn't work. That didn't work.
Maybe the sound
No,
effects threw it
yeah,
off.
that's
I don't
okay.
know.
That's okay. We'll just blend it that way. We don't have a blender.
Do this.
Yeah.
And
It smells
this.
good. There you go.
You want to try it?
There you go.
Okay, it smells great.
Okay.
Go for it.
It does smell great.
Do we rim the glass first?
I'm doing
So, I mean,
what I'm doing. Okay.
Salt
here.
the glass.
Salt the glass.
Salt the glass with your little lime.
Don't forget the rim, guys. There you go.
You know, you crack me up,
I
Francis.
do? Why?
Because you say things you
I
don't
say
even realize what you're
inappropriate
saying.
I said something inappropriate. I
No,
don't
it's
even
not
realize it.
You know what? It's not inappropriate.
But it
because you didn't
sounds that
know-
way.
Yes.
It sounds that way.
And
I don't
that's
know.
what makes it so good. Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Would you like
Salt
me to
it
do?
up.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna.
Oh, you're gonna do your own.
Yeah, I'm doing a different.
Look,
You like this?
please. Oh. Because I'm used to seeing them do it on a plate where you just kind
Yeah.
of go like, "Thank you, that was much better."
Much better.
That's
Okay.
why you're my older sister.
Then,
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Wow.
ooh,
Okay.
perfect.
Oh, I thought we were splitting.
No, that's all for you because I'm making myself
God, I made-
midnight margarita.
I made myself a double without realizing
There you go.
I was making my own.
Okay, so I'm gonna make something else. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this little itty bitty bottle, little itty bitty bottle.
What's in that? Some potion?
You shall see, because I'm gonna. This is a regular margarita. I'm gonna make a midnight margarita now.
She gets the special one.
Yes. So instead of I'm gonna use a little bit of tropical sec, but tropical. No triple here. Sorry, triple sec.
I think she's been doing shots in the chicken.
I don't know.
In the chicken.
It's the brownies. I don't know. Well, that didn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of the blue curacao. Is there a hole at the bottom? Is there a hole at the bottom?
I think so. Wow. Yep, there is. Look at that.
There's a hole in the bottom, dear
Just put it
Liza,
there.
dear Liza. Let's try this one. No holes, no
Why
holes.
would there be a?
I don't know. I got that from the store.
It's so strange. I'm sorry, I have the giggles.
That's okay.
Can you cast a spell on me to
Yes.
stop me from laughing?
No, I like your laughter.
Okay.
I like your laughter. It's called the power of the margarita. Have the margarita.
Oh, I thought we have to cheers.
Oh, okay. We got to cheers.
We
Okay.
have to say some kind of
Magical thing. Okay, here, put that
that's
over
it.
there. Then I'm gonna get some black food
magic.
coloring, black magic, black food
magic.
coloring. I'm just gonna put a dot. A dot. A little more than a dot, but that's okay.
What's that turn out to be?
It's gonna be a midnight margarita. So it turns it black.
Oh.
And so we're going to go ahead. Let's ice me up in there.
Okay.
Shall I measure this? Nah.
Okay. Yeah, good. Yeah, is that enough ice?
Yeah. And then a little bit of lime.
A little bit of lime in the coconut.
And then a little bit of. Should I put a little bit of triple sec? A little bit of triple
Why
sec.
not?
A little bit of that. Okay.
Midnight margaritas.
Now we're gonna wait for the black for last. We're gonna leave the
Okay.
black for last, and then here you go.
to go in your
Yes.
glass. I get it.
Go ahead.
Okay. You want to salt your.
Now I'm going to salt it differently too. I keep looking up. I gotta look up. I keep looking down. So what am I gonna
too.
do?
I'm not used to. You're the hostess. So I'm not
I'm gonna
used
put a
to.
little bit of salt right in there. And then, wait a second. We're gonna put a little bit of what? That's right, black
Black
food coloring.
magic.
Black magic. Right there. Just to make it a little more interesting. And you smush it. So it becomes like a little black salt.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah.
I like that. Very nice.
Comes out like kind of bluish. That's fine.
Yeah.
It'll work for our
Blackish,
purposes.
black and blue.
Black and blue, and then I'll use this because that's mess. Hold on. Well, it's kind of like a spooky green.
It is.
Kind of comes out like a spooky green. So I take a lime. This is your trick. You showed me
Yes,
this.
yes, I did.
I didn't know what I was doing before.
I do know some things,
Oh, I got a lot of lime guts in here.
believe it or not. Just because I'm the baby.
Well, you're not that much of a baby. It's not like
Am I younger? Was I born second?
you were born second, but
I'm the baby.
well, okay.
Get
fine.
over it.
Fine. All right. So go ahead.
Okay.
Pour me in.
Ready?
Well, actually, no. Let's put the black magic in first
Oh. It's
because it's thicker, so it'll stay at the bottom.
ready?
Yep. Yeah.
Jesus. Okay. He has nothing to do with this.
Oh, Jesus has everything to do with it. We're white witches. Here, let's
What's going on?
let's put some ice in there.
Oh,
Just to make it. There we go.
okay.
So there's
Yeah,
your
I
black
think
magic black midnight margarita.
And I have regular midnight margarita, but still midnight margarita.
What shall we say for a toast?
Here's to sisterhood.
Cheers to sisterhood. Because we're all sisters and we should all support each other and help each other out.
That's right. Always. Cheers.
Cheers to you. Oh, did I drop some?
Just salt. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
Let's see how this tastes. Ah, too much salt.
Pretty perfect. It's really good. It is.
Is my
It's
mouth
really
black now?
good.
Is my mouth black?
No.
So it worked. It's good.
It looks like grape juice.
It does. It's not. It's like a green purple, like a green black kind of color.
That's a really good margarita. Good job, sis.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, we need some nachos now. Let's call-
Nachos?
Yeah, let's call Angelo, see if he'll bring us some nachos.
Nachos and cheese.
All right.
Loaded nachos.
Loaded nachos. I have another segment coming up soon, so
Oh,
we're gonna finish these off. Ooh, these are good.
that's kind of dangerous, don't you
I
think?
know it is. You've seen me.
We might
When
be
I
back
do-
in a couple hours, maybe.
I promise her. I don't think. Well, there is a glue gun involved, so I could get hurt. God knows. I always get hurt.
Shoot.
Cheers to you guys.
Cheers.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Ooh.
Again?
Yes.
Yes.